Welcome back. In this new video, I will be showing you how to draw a end elevation when given the front and the plan of an object. First step here is to activate my construction layer. Next, turn on rectangle and I go to A, left click at point A, go down to point A here, track that point across. That is A. Then spacebar to reactivate rectangle. Go to point B here and track point B here. That will give us our width. Now, that is basically the width for this figure. Now, to establish the height, I would be going to A1, or I could simply draw a line across here. Line. Then draw a rectangle. And next step is to open up, activate our construction line. Then activate rectangle, REC, rectangle, enter. Enter. Left click here, left click here, escape. And that is our end elevation. Just like that, our end elevation.